Hello, my name is Kent. At one point, you may have probably asked yourself, what is digital marketing? Well, this is the most asked question and the most relevant to know if a person wants to take a digital marketing job. They need to know the definition of digital marketing. So, here in this short video, I'll explain it for you in a simplistic definition so you can understand it easily and you will not have to ask yourself that question again. So now, here comes a question that you've been asking yourself. What is digital marketing? With a simple definition, digital marketing is the promotion of brands to connect with potential customers using the internet and other forms of digital communication. And this includes not only email, social media, and web-based advertising, but also text and multimedia messages as a marketing channel. Next, you need to know how to get started and how to succeed in digital marketing. Getting started is one thing, succeeding is another thing. You can start with no money and succeed, or you can start with a lot of money and still waste it on unnecessary things, simply because you chose a wrong business model. This means that you need to carefully research about each type so that you know what's best for you. So, what you need to do is choose the right type of business for you, start, and then continue nurturing it so that it grows with time before you can actually reap the fruits of it. I know you want to get paid. I know you want to grab that money from online. So why not? But before that, you really need to do the needful so that you invest well and reap the good fruits. In case you did not know, all the people you've ever heard of on the internet succeeding with digital marketing, they all started with an idea just like that. So why not start now and do it?